Alright, finally got the ECU out. I kind of recorded a video of it. It wasn't like, it was a short video, but it's out. The last bolt was super hard for me to get out because my big self had to lay upside down. I'm about 5'11". I'm trying to lay upside down in here, and really wasn't working out for me. So finally got it out. Super excited. Time to get this off the Z1 now and get the car retuned. Thank you, Z1, so much for all you guys are doing for me. You guys are amazing. Alright guys, now it's time to go get this shipped off the Z1. I'm really late. I should have already been out of here to get that done. Some 13:20. Everybody at 2K. Definitely want to go to 2K next year. Look at my sister's car right now. Definitely very humbling. Yeah, look at my sister's car. I bought this to try to fix some of these lights on her dash. Off to the post office to get this done. Alright guys, we're trying the post office this time. I went to UPS the first time. They told me $125 to next day it. I really want to next day it or 2 day it. I don't want a 5 day grounded or anything like that. I just feel like it'll be safer next day. But yeah, let's try the post office now.
Later.
I missed them, but FedEx man's here. FedEx out of here. Pretty dope. ECU's here, guys. That's dope. Super dope. Here we go, guys. Some opening of a box of some new products I just got from Z1. Here's my ECU I got from them. Mailed it out Monday, got it back Friday. I think that's hell of a response time to me. This right here is just a few parts I need. I have check engine light right now. Cool stickers from Z1. Always dope to have some stickers from Z1. Pretty cool red bag. That's my favorite color, so. Oh, wow, how they send the spark plugs out of box individually? Or that was, I think this is the original crankshaft that we need. Oh, that's cool. The crankshaft position sensor that I need that goes behind the transmission. Mine was scraping the flywheel. So I got a new one just because obviously I don't want to use the same one that was scraping the flywheel. Also got the Tomy shift knob. I have two. I'm gonna raffle one of these off on my page. Just follow me on Instagram at Turbo Daily 585, and one of these two are gonna get raffled off on my Instagram, just for just content and just to give you guys back for following my page. One of the biggest things I want to do, I want to make sure I give back to you guys and make sure that as much as you guys show me appreciation, I show you guys appreciation as well. I think there's supposed to be a Tomy sticker. Oh, I forgot it right here. So that's pretty cool how they threw this stuff in the box. So I have this going on there. I don't think I'm going to put that on there. I think I'm just going to put the Tomy. And then I also ordered... Oh, yep, that came with the other. It's in the other car. So this just goes on here. And obviously, we have the other parts. But alright, thank you guys. Alright, so the Tomy shift knob I got it in. I think it looks cool. Super light. I kind of like heavier shift knobs, like a little bit more weighted. But we'll see how this goes. I also have I think a Mishi one that I ordered as well. And then my next thing is get this ECU open. And let's get this ECU open, then take it downstairs, get it in the car. I think Z1 Motorsports probably is the best place for G35 parts and anything on this platform, build parts. I love it. Send back your ECU wrapped up. It's pretty sweet. Sent back a ton of stickers for me. These guys are amazing. A ton of stickers. Also, they put my little note that I gave them for my car parts and everything back in there. And that's about it. I think I'll take this stuff downstairs with me. The bubble wraps. Get that stuff. And let's go get this thing in, guys.